There was a girl who brought spring wherever she went. She walked through the streets of a big city. It was winter, but people didn't feel cold when they saw her. But when the girl came out of it, all the flowers around it bloomed, and the birds sang even more beautifully. All the flowers began to bloom. The birds came back to the city. They sang and were glad to see her. He wanted to find the girl who brought spring so he could marry her and have her as his queen. He asked the people, "Who is the girl who brings the flowers and the birds?" The girl asked, "Who were you talking to, grandmother? And why did you take off your shawl?" The old woman looked at her and said, "You brought the spring, my dear. You brought the flowers and the sunshine. But when you gave the king your shawl, you took away his heavy crown. When you gave him your robe, you took away his burden. And when you gave him your belt, you took away his worries. Now he can be happy and free like you are." It felt good to be happy after a long winter. She had indeed brought spring to the city, but she hadn't realized it before. He was standing in front of her, and he was no longer a king. He was just a young man with a kind face and gentle eyes. "Will you marry me?" he asked her. "Will you be my queen?" The girl woke up and couldn't remember if she had dreamed it or if it would really happen. But she felt happy, and she knew that she would always bring flowers with her wherever she went. She had just been gathering flowers and herbs, walking through the streets and enjoying the sunshine. She had never thought that she could make people happy, or that someone would want to marry her because of the flowers she brought with her. The old woman looked at the king and said, "Do you want to be happy? Do you want to have all the flowers and the sunshine?" "Yes," said the king. "Then close your eyes and listen." The old woman closed her eyes, and the king took off his heavy crown. It was made of gold and precious stones. The king placed the crown on the old woman's lap and said, "This is for you." Then he took off his royal robe and laid it at the old woman's feet. "And this is for you too." Finally, he took off his belt, the one that held his sword. "And this is for you, little grandmother." The old woman opened her eyes and smiled at the king. "Thank you," she said. "You are a kind and generous young man. You will find a lovely wife who will make you very happy." The king stood up and bowed to the old woman. "Thank you," he said, "but now I must go." He got on his horse and rode away. They told him about the girl who lived in the cottage. She lived in a small cottage at the edge of town. It was an old building with peeling paint and a rusted weather vane. One day, a king came to the city. He was riding a white horse. He went to her cottage, but when he got there, he only saw an old woman sitting by the door. She had a red shawl over her shoulders and a basket of flowers in her lap. The king asked her, "Are you the girl who brings spring?" The old woman smiled and said, "I am her grandmother. She went into the forest to gather herbs for me. She'll be back soon." Then the king sat down beside the old woman. He was waiting for the girl, but he was also enjoying the flowers and the warmth that surrounded them. When the girl returned from the forest, she found the old woman sitting in the sun, the basket of flowers at her feet and the king's crown, robe and belt beside her. The girl thought for a moment. She understood what the old woman meant. That night, the girl dreamed of the king.